The Cerulean credit card is targeted at people with poor or limited credit who have trouble getting approved elsewhere. It is an unsecured card, so there is no security deposit required to open the account, making it an option for those who cannot put several $100s down for a secured card. It reports to all three major credit bureaus, Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion, which is essential for rebuilding credit with consistent on-time payments. Over time, there is potential for a credit limit increase if payments are made responsibly, and since it runs on the Mastercard network, it is accepted almost everywhere and includes protections like zero liability for unauthorized purchases. However, there are some major trade-offs. The annual fee can be as high as $125 and is charged to your account immediately, cutting into your available credit from day one. The APR sits around 35.90% fixed, making it extremely costly if you carry a balance. Starting credit limits range from $300 to $1,000, but once the annual fee is subtracted, usable credit can be uncomfortably low, hurting both spending power and your credit utilization ratio. There is also a fee if you accept a credit limit increase, which is unusual, and the card offers no rewards or perks. Some users have also raised concerns about communication and account management from the card's servicing company, Continental Finance. In summary, the Cerulean card can serve as a last resort option for someone with no access to secured cards and no deposit funds available. It can help rebuild credit if used strictly for small purchases paid off in full every month. But the high annual fee, very high interest rate, and limited credit make it an expensive tool, and for anyone who can qualify for a better secured card or a low-fee alternative, this card's costs and the risk of debt from carrying a balance often outweigh the benefits.